I got a goal to make $20,000 a month online. Well, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, most online entrepreneurs, right, they usually have some sort of financial goal, right? Most people, when they come online, they're like, look, I just want to make $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month. Some people say, I want to make $100,000 a month, right? And I love hearing that. I love hearing that. Like that excites me when I hear people talk like that, because I associate that with people who are motivated, people who are go-getters, people who think big, right? So I've always been on that $20,000 a month. It's just something about that number that just, I don't know, right? Like, I don't know why $20,000 a month appeals to me better than $50,000 a month. I don't even know why, right? But when it comes to making money online, the most common number you hear is $10,000 a month. Everybody's like, yo, I want to make $10,000 a month, blah, blah, blah. And that's absolutely fine. But to me, $20,000 a month, like consistently, right? With a little fluctuation, maybe some months might be 23,000, some months might be 18,000, whatever, right? But average $20,000 a month. That's what I'm going for. That's what I will make happen. All right, because in my world, my lifestyle, $20,000 a month, like, I'm living good, right? I'm debt free, right? I'm donating to all the dog shelters I want, right? Like I'm going where I want to go. I'm traveling. I'm taking care of my family. I'm doing a lot, right? With $20,000 a month. And it's funny because when you hear that, you instantly think, damn, if you're making $20,000 a month, like, you balling. Depending on where you live in the country. I live in Ohio, so you making $20,000 a month in Ohio, you doing damn good. But it's crazy because when you really think about it, $20,000 a month is only $240,000 a year, right? So when you look at it like that, you're like, wait a minute, you know what I'm saying? You got people out here making $1 million a year, right? $5 million a year, and basically you're saying you just want 240,000. Well, I guess that's just how it equals out, right? Like, yeah, I guess I want to earn $240,000 a year, and I feel like I know it's doable, right? And I'm excited to put this video out there and hopefully motivate other people to, like, yo, get that goal in your head and go after it. I wonder, okay, well, how you plan on doing it, right? I want to say two quick things about this goal. The first thing in my mind, I'm like, this is how I plan on doing it. Growing my YouTube channel, right? I have 3 YouTube channels, but really growing this one, right? And get this channel where it's making a decent amount from its AdSense, all right? But I also have several business opportunities that I talk about on this channel that I really plan on earning some nice income from. My main business that I promote, that I'm involved with, is Live Good, right? So I really want to get my Live Good business, you know, to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, right? That's the goal. Then I have other opportunities and other affiliate programs that I make money off of, right? And get commissions and everything like that. So I'm trying to build up that income as well. There is a second, perspective that I look at this. I am heavy into manifestation, right? I'm heavy into law of attraction. And anytime that you really get involved with law of attraction and research and get into manifestation, you realize that if you put out the right energy, the right vibe, you know you're going to get what you want, right? If you can attract what you want into your life. But a key that is always taught when it comes to law of attraction and manifesting is you don't exactly know how. So what that means is I can attract what I want in my life, but it might not happen the way I think it's going to happen, right? It might be something completely different. I'm going to get my 20K a month, but it might not come from the YouTube and the affiliate marketing. I think it is, but it might come from a completely different source, right? Just that one that I haven't even thought of yet. But the bottom line is, I know I know it's coming, right? I feel it 100%. I feel it, and I'm super excited about it. So even though I know this and I'm attracting it, I'm still busting my ass at the same time, right? I'm still doing things that I need to do to make this happen, right? But mainly it starts from the energy and the attitude that I'm putting out there. So I'm excited because I know my $20,000 a month is coming. This is my goal, but I want to know what your goal is. How much are you going to make online? $5,000, $10,000, $50,000? What's your goal?